Now I'm making a homemade pizza here. This is a Bolognese pizza, so if you ever got any Bolognese left over, chuck it on your pizza. Now, a friend of mine had a restaurant who made a pizza Bologna, and it had Bolognese with some salami and some onion. Now this is a homemade Napolitana dough that I do. It's like a 24-hour dough, and I'm doing a voiceover here, so just mind my hand, Marcel Marceau, going on there. So I had some Bolognese left over, and obviously I'm going to put it on this pizza. Now I'm going to put some, there's a Bolognese there. So I'm going to put the Bolognese, I've got some mushroom, cheese, and I'm going to put some more Bolognese on top. You don't want it too, because it'll dry out in the oven. You don't want it too dry. But as you can see there's a layer of Bolognese, good old champion mushrooms, or champignons, whatever you call them, just out of the can, that's fine. And I've got some mozzarella, cheddar and pecorino cheese there, and there you have it, my friends. So if you ever got any Bolognese left over, make a pizza, chuck it on a pizza, put whatever you want on it, onion, capsicum, mushroom, olives, it's up to you what you want. Anyway, there you go, thanks for watching.